Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Levide Knee Companion, or the Levide Therapy Knee Massager. But before we get into the review, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, you have it here open up on eBay, and this is what it looks like. It is basically just a fit for your knee. However, guys, I would advise you not to buy this if you really need knee therapy. I would advise you to go to a doctor or a therapist, physical therapist, before buying this product. Since all of us have different sizes of knees, we don't have all the same knees, and this is one that comes in different sizes, I think. However, I'd highly doubt that this will fit your knee perfectly, since as you can see right here, the reviews are only about the transaction and the shipping. So good customer service, good transaction, came just in time, good quality, thank you just as described, works fine, came under 2 weeks, kind of has an awful lot of warnings in the booklet, and they basically no reviews say about it helping their knee problem. So as you can see also here in Reddit, has anyone heard of the Levide Therapy? It's a knee massager that uses red light therapy. Positive reviews for what I can find, but not much out there. So as you can see, nobody also here said that it helps them. So I've used it. Only this person said that he or she used it a few times, trying to get into the habit of using it daily. The vibration setting doesn't help for me, but the heat and laser seem to be okay. No dramatic differences yet. I used one of the stronger red light therapy devices from Amazon. Actually made it hurt worse. So please guys, if you really need a massage or your knee hurts, please go to the doctor and do not buy shady things here online, and you might just make your knee or your injury much worse. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.